Hello, I'm Andrei and I'm software engineer intern at OpenText.
I am Claudia. I'm working here as an intern for 2 months now.
The recruitment process was very straightforward.
During the recruitment process, I appreciated that I was in the loop constantly with what was happening.
The onboarding journey was great. It felt like I had all the resources I needed, and also the team was very supportive. A big part of my responsibilities include analytical thinking.
Finding different solutions to the given problems,
I write code, I write test cases.
debugging, and even testing sometimes to make sure that all the code I write runs smoothly.
If given the chance,
If given the chance,
I'd love to continue working here
I would like to join the company.
because it's been such a valuable experience and I see myself growing even more with the team.